The drink we're about to make is called a Pink Limon. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass. So put some ice and water in there, let it sit while you're making your drink, and it'll be nice and cold. All right, we're going to measure out 1.5 ounces of Bacardi Limon, our lemon-flavored rum, and we're going to follow that up with 2 ounces of sour mix. And next we'll add 1/2 ounce of cranberry juice. Yeah, a little bit more than that. Make sure it gets nice and pink. All right, now we're going to shake it up. Get everything nice and cold. Go ahead and pour out your ice water. And get your strainer. Pour it in. Very full. And that is a Pink Limon. Bottoms up.